Welcome to BandB CraftShop. I'm Barbie. Today, we'll be teaching you how to use the Cricut Explore Air. It comes with a hook and the grid-like grip pad. I also used the water bottle, box cutter, cutting board, vinyl, and the transfer paper. I used my cell phone downloading the Cricut app. I went straight to Canvas. You can also click New Project to get started. Make sure you use the grid to measure how big you need the vinyl. On the bottom, there are several options for starting the project. Today, we will be adding text. Looking through the free system fonts, I choose my favorite and start typing. I repeated the same process and chose a new text for my second word to add contrast. I wanted the letters closer together to be able to make the font size a little bigger. Please verify actions are set to cut. Now we're ready to make it. Verify the size and click continue. Turn on the Cricut. Connect to the machine. By now, I will be removing the film and attaching the vinyl to the cutting board. Once it's loaded, I click on Load Machine. It looks like two arrows. And click the Cricut logo, the second button. It's the Start button. The app gives step-by-step instructions on this part. When it's done, unload machine, same two arrows to load and remove vinyl. I like to add the film on the cutting board to maintain the sticky. I have a separate cutting board and I use it with my box knife to cut out the border of the words to make it easier to remove the negative. In other words, the surrounding vinyl you're not using needs to be removed at this time. Get the transfer paper and guide the vinyl letters onto it. I quickly used a microfiber blanket to clean space I was going to stick. Once completed, we are ready to apply transfer paper and vinyl in place. Slowly remove transfer paper. We repeated this process several times and got these. Hope this video motivates you to be creative. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. We got requested to post the cartoon drawings we do for next week. Stay tuned.